Welcome to Understand the Math. In this question, we're given a vector v, and we're asked to find if it is an eigenvector of matrix A. And if it is, we're asked to find what the eigenvalue is. The way that we're going to solve this problem is we're going to check if A times our vector v is equal to lambda times v, where lambda is an eigenvalue. This equation is our basic definition of an eigenvector v and an eigenvalue lambda. Let's begin by writing down our matrix A, minus 4, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 3, 0, and then 3, minus 2, and minus 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to multiply our matrix A times our vector v, and that's given as 3, minus 2, 1. Let's begin by taking our first row and multiplying it by our vector v. This is going to give us a minus 12, minus 6, plus 3. And now we're going to look at our second row and multiply it by our vector v. And we get a 6, plus 6, minus 2. And now we can look at our last row and we'll multiply that by our vector v. And we get a minus 3, plus 0, minus 2. Now we can go ahead and let's add this up. We have a minus 18 plus 3 is a minus 15, and then a 12 minus 2 is a 10, and then we get a minus 5. So what we have to determine if this is a multiple of our vector v. So we're going to put a little question mark here, set it equal to lambda, and then we're going to write down our vector v, 3 minus 2, 1. So let's see what this is. So we have a minus 15 is equal to 3 lambda. So that would be true if lambda is equal to minus 5. And then we have a 10 is equal to minus 2 lambda. And that, again, is going to be true if lambda is minus 5. And then lastly, we have a minus 5 is equal to lambda. And that's the same thing. Lambda is equal to minus 5. So this tells us that the answer to our question is yes, v is an eigenvector of our matrix A. And we can say that our eigenvalue lambda is equal to minus 5.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.